anything. Disconnect this line 1.
Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to find the maximum number in Java. So we wanna put two numbers and we ask the program to give us the maximum number.
Here.
So the highest number between two numbers using Java. So
once
it's
you
gonna
put
be
it
a
on your
simple
laptop,
program,
then
and I don't think it will take that much longer on our time.
I'm gonna log in because I gave it. We're only dealing with
you start them
with modem 2. Why? Because modem 1 doesn't need
whatever IDE
so
you
modem
use
2 is the one which is
using
looking for some settings
Apache
to be fine.
NetBeans IDE 12.
So what you do, you go to your browser after
so
connecting.
Now what you do, you can create a new
modem
project
2 to the computer. So
and that project, give it a name. Maybe we're gonna call it
find. No, it's gonna be 192 because the old modem default gateway is gonna be 192.168.8.1. So if you're using a different modem, you can go to the back
then
of the modem,
finish.
or is this a number like this? Some of them they start with 10.1.1.2, 10.1, 10.0.
After finishing, the system is gonna create for you
with a 10. It starts with 192.168.8.1. What I did, I changed it. I'm gonna show you how to change it. So there are two modems now on the network. Okay, let me show you. The first modem, when you go into that, your modem is gonna be like this. You're gonna put in 10.192.168.8.1. So okay, when you're there, it's gonna give you settings. Then you're gonna put in admin. Then you're gonna give you admin, but I changed already, so it won't give you a chance to use admin.
You can go and say
once
system
you're in, it said no.
.out
admin.
System has to be capital
admin.
System.
Okay. .in worked, it's fine. Admin.
.print.
Admin.
System.out.println. Then you go in here. You close. So inside here, that's where you're gonna call that method and say.
Okay, the first modem Java. I used admin 2, and the second modem I used admin 1. So you can see what's going on here.
Java.
The first modem, this is modem 1, but now we told you to log into modem 2. Why? Because modem 2 has what they call it's using the same default IP. But we're gonna change it. So we have logged into modem 1 to show you
the minimum number I put.
I hope you're not getting
so once you're in here,
we only set up modem 2, but we're logging into modem 1 to show that they have different IP addresses, because that's where we do this, and also they have different Wi-Fi password and names.
So when the number is like this,
so you can see modem 1, it has different name.
So it should display 2
for Wi-Fi, and also it has different name for what? For the IP.
So once we can see 2,
then
what are we gonna do?
You can see the IP address
do here
is this, because this is the default. We didn't change it.
Okay,
where
10.
Then we're gonna go to modem 2.
10 and I run the
done
program.
with modem 1. Modem 2, we're gonna
it
sign
shows
out.
Me 10. What if I'm looking for the minimum? If I'm looking for the minimum, I'm gonna say MIN,
and it's on network is the one which gives network. It's running on 4G. It's connected.
After running the program,
so now we're gonna go
to
modem 2, which we gave a password.
Let's try to
username, which is
declare these numbers somewhere else. We can say int.
It's called what?
Num.
It's called 100. So we gave it the default gateway to be 100. That's why you can see in modem 2 the SIM card is cancelled. When you say there, you go to home.
77.
When you go home, so we already changed the password.
You can
use the username. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna use
2.
Okay. Admin
equals 2.
In your case, we on modem 2 guys now. This is the one we're gonna put in the next
so
building.
We're gonna call num1 and num2.
So we log into modem 2.
Put num1 here.
So
whichever way you put num2,
once you log in,
num2. So we try.
Don't worry about this IP. This IP we changed it. So also you're gonna change it. Let's show you. This is the only thing you're gonna do. Then you're gonna fly.
Yes.
So what you do? Go to 1 WLAN. Then after they click on HTTP, click on DHCP. After that,
then
on DHCP,
if we wanna call,
then you can find this IP. This IP is gonna be 192.168.8.1. But then put 00 to make it 100. Then after that, what you're gonna do? Look into the second line here. It says DHCP server enabled. So it's gonna be enabled. Make it disabled. Once you do that, just say apply. Once you apply, everything is done. Now what you need to do only is to go and change your Wi-Fi name and username. So if you don't change it, it's fine. Why? You're gonna use the one default one on your modem, on back of your modem. But now if you wanna change it, you can go to learn basics. Let's see.
We're gonna say okay, give us that.
Okay, here is what I do. So now you can put in the new username for your Wi-Fi and also new password for your Wi-Fi. Then you say apply. Once you've applied, then everything is 100%, guys. Once you apply that tip, switch off your modem. The modem is gonna, after doing all those things, the modem is gonna do what? It's gonna reboot itself. Then it's gonna do what? It's gonna be ready for connection. So we set only the what? The second modem. One in the second modem, we change the username. We change the what? We change the IP address to 100 because they are the same modems, so they have the same default gateway. So we have to change it. Another thing why we change it is that we're telling we did click what they call the HTTPC. You saw the HTTPC here. Here
J option.
You can read much about it. So once you turn it off, it simply means this modem is not going to give any device what they call
the first one. Then
the what? Supply the device with the IP. So it won't supply IP addresses. So once you've done that, guys, this is very, very simple. Don't get complicated. The only thing you set up is here. You just click tip there, then on the IP address you put maybe 100 or 87, 57, whatever number which you're gonna remember is fine. Here you put in the last column here, then you apply tip. Once you apply, you find you may set up your Wi-Fi password and username, or you might not set it up. So but I prefer to set it up because why? You're gonna disconnect on your phone, disconnect every Wi-Fi password, then you connect to the new one. Once you connect to the new one, you will know that, oh, what I did, it worked. Then if you wanna put it to the default one, whatever, then you can do that. But then this is for the testing, you have to do that. Then after you change your password, user Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, then you say apply. Once you apply, everything's fine. Now what is next? Switch off the modem. After applying, it's gonna switch off itself anyway. So after applying, then I'm gonna show you here what you do. You're going to now run a cable, which is gonna run from let me see.
Same thing if you wanna make
run a cable which gonna run from this modem to this modem. Even when you still in the same area, then test your your wireless Wi-Fi
network. Me the first number.
Then also if using another computer, also you can give those computers something. But anyway, this is done because of much of people who are using wireless.
You can see the number.
So this is crazily good, guys. We managed to do access point using two-way wireless modem. That's a very cool application to do, guys. If you have any questions or if you got confused, I'm sorry about that, but we'll ensure we did the right job. One, don't forget, don't change this.
Can't we do this?
The router 1, don't change the IP. They only change the IP for router 2. Second option, second rule here. 10 of the DHCP.
Grow.
Save. Once you save, then you can change the username and password for Wi-Fi on this modem 2. Then rule 3, you have to connect a LAN cable from here to here. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and this is Azania Tutorials. Don't forget to ask any question if you didn't understand. I can give extra help on that. And also please don't forget to share our content, and also follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, whatever, guys, you feel like it's okay for us to do for us, you can share and also make our channel grow. But one of the best thing you have to do for us is subscribe on this channel, and also click on that bell so that you get all the updates when we do a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.
We're gonna say the show message dialogue.
Welcome to our new video.
Then
today we're gonna show you how
this.
to
You
fix
close, you come here and say now,
and
then you put a comma, then you say now.
This is the error.
After putting a num, then we can see if that is fine. Message.
We can see that
message
add stack trace
dialogue. Something is not okay here, but we're gonna get it right. So what you need to do only is to fix here
like this. So now
dialogue
long. You see it say long instead of dialogue. Okay, then
I would say
such a simple thing can take you out of the game. That's the bad thing about Java.
So
I'm gonna start here. It's gonna give me
I managed to
that 233. Then I'm gonna give this, and then that's fine. So I just wanted to upgrade it. You can see the system, the program you upgraded it a bit by bit. I upgraded it from showing from the console to display on the dialog. You see, now it's the best thing we can do. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the tutorial in Java, how to find the maximum number between two numbers using Java. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. You can request for any other video if you have one to ask for.